Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be teaching you guys exactly how to get your own background on a laptop. By the way, it's your boy Name here. And you can see this is my main backdrop is Scorpion. Scorpion right here. So what you will want to do is you will want to open up your web browser. I use Google Chrome. Look up a picture of something you want. For my example, let's use the Overwatch. Just search whatever you want. Overwatch. Whatever. Go to images. Click over here. In this little images tab, click over there on the images tab, and then it should load. Now, it should take you right here. You can pick out of any of these pictures. You can do one. I'm gonna do this one. It looks pretty dope in my opinion. So, if you were on a laptop, no matter, even if you were on a laptop or a desktop, right click it. Click save image as. I'm gonna name it BG for background. Yeah. Alright, it should install. It should show a little installing thing. What's that thing? You want to exit out of Google. Click go to your file. It should be on your taskbar. Anyways, go on file. Click pictures. Wherever, go to downloads, which is where you have it. Right click it and click enter. It should take you to this screen. Right click it again. But I will show you two ways actually. Then click set as background. See, my background changed from Scorpion to this Overwatch background. Now I will show you another way using the same background. So first, I don't know why I closed that out. Open it, go to downloads, find the picture, drag it out of there, boom, do that, exit out, put that right there, right click it. What you will want to do, it should show this set as desktop background, click it. Maybe I should use something different. For my example, I'm just gonna use the folder logo. I'm gonna use the Fortnite logo. Anyways, here you go. When you're done with the picture, you just wanna drag it to your recycling bin. You should move from there pretty quickly. Those are my two ways I do it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have found out another way that I do not know. And peace out. It's your boy Name.